Y'all, I am so proud of myself. I'm over here doing mama nails. Y'all got to see these nails, how they is turning out. They is so cute. I'm about done. I gotta just put a couple more designs on here. But hold up, wait a minute, child. I want y'all to see this. I'm getting better at my line work. I watched a video. A guy was teaching. Let me see them. A guy was teaching how to do your lines and stuff. So I took what I learned and I am doing it. Proud of myself. One thing I do, I pay attention. I'm a hands-on learner, and I only watched him do it. Let me see. I watched him do it one time, and I got it from there. So,
and you got these are bolder than those two.
Which one bolder?
This one.
I know that's bolder.
Oh, that's what you did.
Yeah.
No, okay.
I ain't mean to.
Oh.
I just had too
much. It still look good like that though.
I just had too much pressure.
But it stands out.
Yeah.
Yeah.
You talking about bolder than the other ones? Oh yeah.
Yeah. See?
Uh-huh.
Yeah.
Yeah.
I like it like that.
That's fine.
Yeah.
Let me put that one in. So we did Mama some little abstract-y type nails. And they so cute. It took her a minute to pick out the design, but it came together. The colors we went with was supposed to be like, all of them supposed to be like silver, right? But your silver different from the lady silver, because her silver was silver, not glittery silver. So Mama got a glittery silver, so as we started doing it, Mama was like, I think I want some of the gray to show, because I put a gray as the base so the silver can pop a little bit more. So she was like, I like that gray. I'm going to go with the gray. So she got the gray in there with some glittery silver, black, and white. Y'all got to see them. Hold on. I'm about to show y'all. I'm about to show you, child. And then, while I'm at it, I got a review for you coming up.
Go back over with the clear?
Yeah, we're going to do that now.
No.
We put that back in, though.
Yeah.
So, then we're finna get ready to go over with the top coat. And I'm about to let y'all see what it look like, but I got a review for y'all coming up in the next portion of this video. We have Madam Glam that has sponsored our video. Once again, thank you, Madam Glam, for sponsoring us. So I have a couple of cream gel polishes to show y'all. Alright y'all, so this video is sponsored by Madam Glam New York. Madam Glam is a vegan, cruelty-free gel polish company that offers a variety of colors, tools, and products to everyone. Madam Glam is a 21 chemical-free formula and HEMA-free, which means that Madam Glam does not use all the chemicals and other harmful products in their gel polishes that other companies may be using. Let's get into the packaging. As you can see, Madam Glam has foam on the inside of their packaging to ensure safety during shipment. That way none of your items will be broken or damaged during the shipping process. Here's the colors that Madam Glam has sent me. This is a new collection that Madam Glam has formulated. This is what you call Madam Glam's cream gels. I have it in the rose gold fairy cream gel, the white fairy cream gel, the gold fairy cream gel, the black fairy cream gel, and the silver. We're going to start out with the silver. This is the color that I used on Mama nails, y'all, and it is so cute. When I tell y'all, this is a pretty color. These is solid, so you don't have to worry about wasting them, and they thick. So if you're just doing like a simple look, not too much, you just want to do something real simple, and you know, not trying to do a full set of nails. Not saying that you can't, but you can. But look how pigmented this is, y'all. A little goes a long way with this here, y'all. Look at that. That is beautiful. That is beautiful, y'all. Look at that, though. That is the silver. So that is the fairy silver. That's what we used on Mama to get the look that she got. Okay. Then I'm gonna dry that. And we're gonna go in with the next color. That is too pretty. I love this here. And you could do a full set, but I wouldn't, because I don't want to run through it. I'll use it like to do designs or accent nail or something like that. But it's the perfect, it gives the perfect coverage. Y'all, you gonna love these here. Madam Glam did their thing with these here. Okay, so now we're going in with, and a little goes a long way. I'm dipping a little too much. Let me put some back. But this here is the gold, right? Am I using the gold? Yeah, this the gold. So this one here is the gold. It gives the perfect gold, like not too gold, but it's gold. You can see the gold flakes in it. And the coverage is amazing, y'all. Like really one cover, one pass is good enough. And I like the texture too. Nice and creamy. Yes. Yeah, I like this here. Nice and creamy. Look at that one though. Oh yeah. Beautiful. Alright, so let's get into the next one. I'm just going to dry those for 60 seconds. If you haven't already, I recommend you to run over to Madam Glam and get you some of their gel polishes. And I think you should try the cream gel, especially if you're not good with polishing. The cream gel, oh, this is the way to go, because it have a thick consistency and it's not runny, and it's like really, really buttery, and it don't take no more than one coat to get the job done. This here is the white. Look at that. And we doing this on a clear nail. And look how pigmented it is. You can't mess this up. You cannot mess this up. Y'all better go use my code Tiana35 to get you 35% off your purchase, or join, become a VIP member and get 50% off the gel polishes. Look at that. Now I could have used a little bit more in certain spots, but the coverage though is still good. That coverage is still good. I like it. I like how it just glides on. Yes, and that's the white. And it's not too white either. I like that too. It's not too white. It gives like ball gown, like glass slipper, kind of like white, you know? Yeah. Okay, so this is the black one. And I guess they get the name Fairy from the glitter. Perfect name for them. This here's the black. Yes, I like this here. Look at that. And I'm telling you, you don't need a lot. I'm actually using too much. But you don't, I mean, just a little bit, yes. This'll last. I'm thinking that, you know, you may use it up doing a full set of nails, but because a little goes a long way. And especially if you got you a base and you just put this on top of your base coat, you'll use even less. Look at that. Look at that there. Look at that. Real creamy. Oh yeah. Look at that one. That's the black. Very beautiful. Oh yeah. Very beautiful. We got one more and it's the rose gold. And like I said, this here is vegan, cruelty-free, chemical-free, never been tested on animals. Like, this the way to go. You ain't got nothing to worry about. Look at that. Oh, this rose gold is pretty too. I like how you only need just a little bit and it spreads so easily. It spreads so easily. Oh yeah, I like that a lot. Madam Glam, I give you a 10 out of 10 on these cream gels, the fairy cream gels. I give a 10 out of 10. Yeah. They are amazing. Amazing. Go get you some. You won't be disappointed. You will not be disappointed. Oh yes. Yes, yes, yes. I like. And the colors, they're just right. It's like they're not doing too much, you know? They just giving just enough. They really giving like ball gown, like Cinderella, like yes, look at her. Like, where's my glass slipper? Like, it's giving that. It's giving that. It's giving grown and sexy. Yes. I like it. Alright, y'all. So, that is it. Don't forget to check out Madam Glam. I will leave the link in the description. And also, I will also be leaving my coupon code, which is Tiana35. Go over to Madam Glam and get your shop on and use my discount code to get you 35% off. This is her nails, y'all.